We believe that safer alternatives already exist, including highly effective agroecological approaches, and thousands of farmers are already practicing agroecology in Asia. And many HHPs have been successfully phased out from agriculture without affecting agricultural productivity. We therefore support this resolution, which we feel is necessary to advance more stronger national and multilateral actions on highly hazardous pesticides, including phase out of these pesticides. We would also urge actions to stop double standards, the trade in banned pesticides in one region exported or country exported to another.